How to send money on Wise. Looking for a fast and affordable way to send money abroad, Wise makes it simple. Let's go through the process step by step. So first and foremost, head over into the Wise app or Wise website. Sign up for an account or sign into your account if you already have one. Click on the send button to send money, and that will take you into the section. So from here, go ahead and select that specific contact where you want to send the money to. You can also add that contact manually. So from here, go ahead and select the currency that you want to send to that specific individual. And then from here, go ahead and select the way you want to send this money to that individual. So you can send it to that individual directly on Wise by finding their Wise tag, email, phone number, or business name. So you'll need to enter their Wise tag, email, phone number, or business name into the section. And on the results, you'd be able to find their account. So simply select their account. And then after that, you need to enter the amount that you want to send. You can choose to set the amount you're sending on the exact amount your recipient should receive. Wise shows the real exchange rate and fees upfront. Now, after that, you need to select how you want to pay: bank transfers, debit card, or credit card. Each option shows the fee and estimated delivery time before you confirm. Double check the recipient's details and payments info, tap confirm, and Wise will notify you when they receive your money and again when it's delivered. And that is how to send money on Wise.